Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and honestly I didn't think that I will be making this video because sometimes I feel life can throw you some really amazing surprises. So I am getting ready for a rishta. Oh my god, I never thought I would say that, but yeah, that's true. I'm not pranking you guys. I know I have a reputation of being a prankster, but this is not a prank. This is actually happening, and so I thought I will get ready with you guys for this little soiree, if I could say that. So today I wanted to channel the good girl, soft girl era. So this is the look that I decided to wear. I did not want to wear like a lot of makeup or anything of that sort. I wanted to keep my look very simple, easy breezy. I guess it's good to look a little sweet because बाद में तो पता चल ही जाएगा what a devil we are. So yes, I know I am totally channeling Poo Bani Parvati, but that's the assignment. Alright, that's the assignment, that's what I'm going for, and I have a couple of really viral products that I wanted to try, so I am very excited. So let's get into it.
Alright, so I already have my skin prepped with some primer and a little bit of concealer around my eyes, and I don't want to look too made up, so I'm going to skip liquid foundation and go straight to my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. Guys, this is viral for a reason. This gives me full matte coverage. Oh my god, can you see that? Oh my god! This is sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof. Just in case I start sweating looking at the hot guy. Need to be prepared, you know. Then I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes and add my favorite mascara. This is the Lash Paradise mascara. I have used it a ton of times and it is my absolute ride or die mascara because we need to keep our eyes wide and open, girls, to detect any red flags out there that are glaring at our faces. You know what I mean? Yes. I love how lengthening and volumizing this mascara is, and it gives my eyes an instant lift. Ready to flirt now, don't you think? Coming to these L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipsticks, I'm going to use this bold red lip color on my cheeks for a little bit of flush because he needs to know that he's dealing with a hot, fiery personality, okay? So, a little color on the cheeks. And I'm going to wear this super comfortable brown shade on my lips. These lipsticks are super comfortable and have a 16-hour wear with intense color payoff. And ta-da! This is the final look. I absolutely love how soft and feminine and sweet I look. I know he's about to deal with the devil once he gets to know me, but for the first meeting, I think we will go with our soft girl era. Yes. So that he meets the ek ladki ko dekha to aisa laga, and then after that shaadi karke phas gaya.
So yes, this is the final look. Honestly, I absolutely love how this look turned out. It's exactly what I wanted to go for. Very simple, easy breezy. My skin still looks like skin, nothing too made up. Because I feel like when you're meeting someone, you don't want them to be like, oh my god, I don't know what she's gonna look like when all of this comes off. So that's why I feel, especially when you're meeting someone for a date or like an interview or something of that sort, wherein I guess the person that you're meeting is going to be in close proximity, it's best to go for a look which is not very OTT or over the top. So I absolutely love how this look turned out. I do have to say I absolutely love the compact. I did not expect it to do so well, and even the shade match is pretty spot on. So for an oily girl like me, I feel this is godsend. This is definitely something I'm going to be keeping in my purse forever now. And yeah, I will leave a link to all of the products in the description box, so definitely check it out. And yeah, I'm kind of feeling myself, so so yeah, wish me luck. I hope it goes well. I don't have very high expectations, but I'm just hoping that it's not awkward. That's all. That's my only expectation. It's a very, very low bar. So I'm hoping things go well. So yes, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.